Hey, this is Kurt the Boat Doctor down here at the beautiful bay. Hey, you know what? Someone's got a little bit of stress. I have a little bit, believe it or not. But anyway, why pay for this stress and anxiety when you can come down here, look at that glisten off of that water, just stare at that, deep breathe, there goes your problems away. Anyway, I do these videos again. I kind of do this once in a while. Is for someone that's looking to buy a boat. Maybe we have Marina in Coos Bay, so we got every major boat line. We try to keep the best of the best. But anyway, for the last year I've had some kind of serious medical issues, so if my videos seem a little off, just bear with me. I've been having to take care of people and myself, and so if I seem a little winded and stuff, just bear with me, like I say. And then I don't have time to answer people back. I feel bad about that, but I do this just so for free, basically, just so people can get an idea. So, and for the salesman, so if someone comes looks at a boat, they can send them the link and they can see how the boat runs. But anyway, the way with that, you can tell them mornings are getting to be a little harder. But anyway, out here, this is I think he got a brand new Garmin up there. He's got a reactor 40 for his kicker autopilot. So I don't know if he had issues with it or something, but he should, this right here, he should spray down with Corrosion X. Same thing with that there. Because what happens, you don't want to put grease, but that's real dry. You put that Corrosion X on there, that's going to free this steering up, and it's going to be like an ice cube. Same thing here, less drag is going to save on that pump. So anyway, I think it's a 2004, it looks like, North River. Good boats. They really haven't changed a whole hell of a lot. I can't remember. Pretty sure this is a 20 Seahawk. They made what they called a trapper, but that was the inboard jet. Anyway, here nor there. Pretty sure it's a Seahawk, but that bottom is throwing me. Because that's, gosh, I wish I could remember that name. See, my memory's even going. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. There you go. So I just do this just to cross-check everything to make sure when I'm done. There's a forward scan. Oh, so that he did. And then he wanted this live scope. So he did add that. So I got to calibrate everything on here. Make it easy. Garmin, way to go. I'm telling you, their sounders are great, their GPS is great, built-in maps. I mean, Garmin is definitely ahead of everybody, I feel, and for the customers, the rigging, and myself as well. So the nice boat. A lot of people are just fixing up their old boat, you know, put new motors on it, and you can vinyl wrap a boat now. Hell, that dent, them two little dents right there, that probably cost you $1,000. You could do that whole damn boat, vinyl wrap it for about $1,400-1,500. All right, see you, Mr. Salmon.